Welcome back. With me, I have the Xiaomi Smart Band 10, and in this video, I'll show you how to power on this smart band. Now you might have noticed it does not have any buttons that you can use to just press and hold to power it on. Now the only way you can power it on is by simply connecting it to a charger. Now in the box, it comes with its own charger. So this is charger. It's a magnetic charger which you can plug it in behind the smart band and connect one end to a charger brick. Now you can use any charger brick that you'd like, as long as it has this particular slot whereby you can insert this end into the charging brick. So I'll use this one for the demonstration purposes. So all you have to do is connect the magnetic side behind the Smart Band 10. So just connect it like that. And once you connect it, all you have to do is connect the other end into a charger brick. So here it is. So let me just connect it. There you go. Then once you connect it, you have to connect it to a power outlet. So let me just connect it to a power outlet. And once you connect it to a power outlet, it should automatically turn on. So there you go. As you can see, it has been powered on. And that's the only way to power on this Xiaomi Smart Band 10. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.